District ya Bundibugyo eyatandikira omwaka gwa 1974 erikwetwa Semliki District kandi omwaka gwa 1998 ekahinduka yaba Bundibugyo District kandi nemwe aha district ezirikusingayo obukuru omwihanga. Orumukuru w'entebe ya katano habwa district ya Bundibugyo Robert Tebakunerwa yashoborera ku emyaka eyakare district egi ekabeina amashomero aga secondary abiri gonka konka bwanyuma ya government ya NRM okuzombuhereza bwa hati amashomero geyonjire.
By that time we had only 2 secondary schools in the district. That was St. Mary's Simbia and Izahura. Now I want to report to the people that because NRM has done a lot, we have around 8 government-aided secondary schools and around 6 privately owned secondary schools.
Tebakunerwa nagira ngo kweyongera kwa mashomero n'abashomesa shindwira Omutindo gubye bwegese wagerageranisa n'emyaka yakare obu government ya NRM yabire takagire omu butegeki.
Between 1980 up to 1986 I was in primary and I did my PLOE in 1986, the time when there was transition from Obote government to Museveni's government. You can imagine, I want to tell the public that for us PLO is done on 2 days, and first day you do 2 papers, then second day you do other 2 papers. But for us, because of the transition, government had not yet stabilized.
Abebembezi hamwe n'abatura basimire Gwobuhereza bw'ebyo kwerinda obweyonjire barukushobora oku district yateganisibwa abajahambuki ba ADF konko bwa hati abantu beino obusinge.
1997 mukusukira ADF ikaseyato joganga Allied Democratic Forces from nowhere Bundibugyo ekabere captured. That morning you remember UPDF ikasa mu ndego mwe basuna na chopper bakubengira ADF bamuhumahani kwesa kuikamaka gwa 2025 ADF tutakugigwirira abantu bona bakukamaka
Luhando obwerende amahya wenyuma abyakatukola muhanda beti tukatwa masamalira UPDF emerengo kandolingira mu abantu nerende ebindu byabo tukasangana abantu ebalendeke kandi twamakilangara tuti government eno angure yende mbere erunza nemyaka 10.
Omu byamagara abatura n'abebembezi ne Basiima ahabwa government kwombeka amarwariro agandi kandi ekakuza nagamwe okuruga rurengo rwa health center eya kabiri okuza rurengo rwa health center ya kashatu okugira ngo kibayambe okutunga obuhereza burungi.
Mortality kufa kwa abana abato kwali kula higuru muno possibly obundi obuhereza bwali bulahara ekindi you know this is a mountainous area. Ebitweka mukazi ino kurubata akiyokura akiyetweka akasirimuka handi nalemesubwa ambulance nimukimanya obuhereza bwa ambulance tusobora kwikabala hantu bona baitu kandi iya uyalake in the 2 counties to the sound ambulance services.
Mukuru w'entebe ya katano habwa district ya Bundibugyo Robert Tebakunerwa yashoborera ku district yatandikire n'irwariro rimwe kandi obwa hati n'irwariro rihango erya main hospital hamwe na health center ibiri.
NRM itakasi mpower. I want to recall tayari tukati na spatala emwe tulina ya nyauka kaili health center 3 iye kikiwe taliyo na sinji mugwe kunji kuru kwa busalo kwa bentumbi kwa kuliala siyo bunata likinanje kwitegerera na kusoma bintu binje mu social studies watu butamaliye ku health center manya wano as I can call it but in the district Bundibugyo yebali kuba main hospital.
Jackson Nyabwende chairperson wa Buyendera Saloon Operators emyoga sako yasima government ahabwa sente ezemyoga ezabayambire omukushomesa abana babo.
Tukatungeza sente sia myoga twabitulwe mu poires ese tuoti sente betu babere abantu besya sente isia myoga abantu mubimburivinga abantu bamasubura nabandi abana bamasomo nabandi bamaoresyo mbenesyabo.
Wabanora ba mu district ya Bundibugyo enkuto zona na mnonga ezomutawuni ziri omumbera nungi ekibasize kuyambaho omu byentambura omu byobuhingi na mnonga kokowa hamwe n'obutare kiresire entunguka omu district ezo baryanye cyakare mukuru w'ihanga Western Saywell Kaguta Museveni naza kuronda obushagikibwe omu district ya Bundibugyo hamwe na Ntoroko. gasha kwa Justin Nyakaisiki, Ahabw'Okutungura West.